Hey, what's up, it's Jona here, and every month I'm doing a breakdown of my hopefully progress on how much I make on YouTube. Last month, I'll quickly go over what I did last month. It was the first month that I made this series. Last month I had 3,997 subs. I gained 46 subs that month. I had 12,200 views, 36 and $72 AdSense, and my RPM was 3. I also had $61.5 in Amazon affiliate links. So that was my first time that I did this. This is the second month. It's interesting, guys, I'm gonna be honest. This is really interesting, and I think it's quite beneficial to watch this video and then listen to me what I have to say at the end. Because YouTube might not be the ride that you think you're going to have when you start it. So let's dive into the analytics of the last month. I just saw that I had 13,400 views. I gained 29 subscribers and my revenue was 30.68. So that's already kind of funny that I had more views. I had like almost 1,000 views more than the other month, but I actually made $6 less. Now that's because if I will go here in revenue, you will see, my RPM is now 2.37, while last month my RPM was 3. So that means last month I got $3 per 1,000 views. Now I'm getting 2.37. That's mainly because January is actually the worst month ever for ads and in general for a lot of businesses, because people spend their money during December and advertisers also spend their money during December because, well, that's when a lot of sales happen, and January is kind of the month where everybody's broke. So that's just pretty normal that that goes downwards. Don't get discouraged because of this. That's just a normal thing in January. Now let's have a quick look at my Amazon affiliate money of this month. So here we see that the summary for this month is $7.54. That's also quite bad compared to the $60 of last month. Again, probably because, you know, December, maybe a lot of people order packages for friends or just a little gift for themselves for the holidays. So yeah, that brings my total, I guess, around $37.50 for this month. While this month I actually uploaded, and the other months I didn't do anything. I wasn't even uploading. While then I had something which was close to $100. So yeah, I'm actually going downwards here. I'm losing money instead of gaining money. And that's why I kind of think this video is actually important. If you think that starting a YouTube channel is gonna give you a big amount of cash all of a sudden, that's probably not gonna be the case unless you're like really exceptional and you have like a couple of viral videos in that month. But in general, you will just slowly maybe be able to drink some coffees here and there. But still, I don't think that really matters. It's really a snowball effect, and you just at first need to grow. That's the only thing that that's gonna change this after a while. Getting recurring views from subscribers, etc. Learning more what videos do well and not. But what I want to say is start YouTube because you're passionate about it. You can think about it as a business. I also kind of want to see this as a business because I would love to do this as a job. So that's why I want to try to think on how I can make more money with YouTube. But please, please, please make a channel about something that really inspires you, that you're really passionate about, that you really want to share with other people. Because let's say if you're in it completely for the money, and then this happens. Last month I had $100, and then this month I was actually uploading more and I had maybe $30. Yeah, that's not really the big break in your life that you were hoping for, right? Do it with something that you're passionate about, also not be discouraged. See it as like, I would still do this for free, and that's genuinely true. I would still be making these videos completely for free. Well, I'm doing it right now actually. Like, I'm not gonna make any money with this video. I do hope at some point to make money with it, but it's just different, you know? I would still be doing this for fun. I just wanna share. I think it's cool to see from other people, but most videos like this are actually from bigger YouTubers and YouTubers who actually make money and are already established. As a small creator, it's gonna be a struggle. So you gotta be prepared for that and not get discouraged the few first months when it's like not really taking off. So like and subscribe to see my update in next month. Hopefully then I will make a little bit more money, then I can maybe, you know, get a coffee and a cake on the side. Jona out, see you in the next one.